We'll guide you through how to find ChatGPT funny moments. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to YouTube. In the search bar at the top, type ChatGPT funny moments and hit enter. You'll see a list of videos uploaded by content creators showcasing funny interactions with ChatGPT. Look for videos with recent upload dates to ensure you're finding the latest content. You can click on a video thumbnail to watch it. If you're looking for specific types of humor, you can refine your search by adding keywords like jokes, comedy, or memes after ChatGPT funny moments. For example, try searching ChatGPT funny memes to find videos focusing on meme-style humor. Another tip is to check out the comments section of the videos you watch. Often, viewers will timestamp the funniest parts, which can help you quickly find the best moments. If you enjoy a particular content creator's style, consider subscribing to their channel to stay updated on new uploads. Additionally, you can explore Reddit by going to reddit.com and searching for ChatGPT funny moments in communities like r/OpenAI or r/funny. Here, users often share screenshots and stories of humorous interactions they've had with ChatGPT. Remember, the humor can vary, so explore different videos and threads to find what makes you laugh. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.